Looking to upgrade your bathroom? Meet the WhisperMighty and WhisperMighty LED, Panasonic's ultimate high-performance bath fan. Featuring the Pick-a-Flow speed selector, WhisperMighty offers the flexibility to choose between 70 or 90 CFM, offering customizable ventilation with a small footprint. This small yet powerful fan is perfect for rooms up to 90 square feet, combating humidity and air pollutants with ease. Operating at less than 0.7 zones at 70 CFM and 1.5 zones at 90 CFM, they are so quiet you'll hardly know they're running. Engineered for versatility, the slim 4 3/4 inch housing depth streamlines installation for walls or ceilings, and the LED model enhances your space with a 10-watt dimmable LED chip panel and delivers 700 lumens of 3000 K warm white light, providing the ideal amount of ambient light for nighttime use. Elevate your indoor environment with this ENERGY STAR certified bathroom exhaust fan. WhisperMighty, the solution for quiet ventilation in your next project. Visit our website for details.